Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is June the 12th, and the time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of oil. This is a 30 minutes chart here, and we can see from this low at $50.58 on June the 6th. All right, we got what looks like a 5 ways up. Right, we have what looks like a 5 ways up here with the diagonal at the end here, 1 2 3 4 5, and currently doing a double correction, a WXY, right? So this W here is in the form of a WXY because it's 3 swings here, and then here also in the form of another WXY. And this structure WXY is going to reach equality at the $52.22. We could be ending this cycle from the peak right here, and then possibly if this is truly 5 waves, then we got a possibility we can extend higher in the C leg. Alright, this can be either with A or with 1, and this could be either with B or with 2. And as far as it stays above $50.58, we can see another leg higher, provided that this is really a 5 waves. Now we can see right here the momentum has a divergence at the end of wave 5, which is to be expected in an impulse, right? And so that sort of is a good sign. All right. Now regarding the short term, this may or may not happen. This last push lower here doesn't matter that much. I mean, we have enough number of swing, even if we want to call it completed, which is also a possibility. But another leg marginal low is also still possible, at least at this point, towards this area, before we finalize. I mean, before finally ended this cycle and then see a 3 years bounce at least. All right. So we can see that this decline here, the first leg of the decline is in a 3 swings, right? In a 3 swing, which means that this correction or this decline is corrective because it is a 3 swings. It is not an impulse. So it is less likely, therefore, that this becomes a 1, 2, and then 3, since the first leg is in a 3 swings. Now it's more likely that from this area we can see at least a 3 bounce. Even if it doesn't go to new high, then since the first leg is corrective here, there is a good possibility that we can at least bounce in 3 ways from here, since again the overall structure is corrective here. Okay, now what can be the alternate? Well, the alternate, if we go look at the larger time frame, this is the 4-hour chart. Now if we do agree that this is a 5 ways up from here in oil, then the alternate could be something like, I mean, if it can go lower, if it breaks lower, then that means that 5 waves is part of a flat from here, expanded flat A, B, C, and then drop lower. So maybe it's still part of here. So maybe I can count this, for example, like this. This can be a wave 1, wave 2, right? Wave 1, wave 2, and then this is currently within the wave 3, and maybe we are still within the wave 3. So suppose, let me place up several hypothetical scenario here. So this could be a wave 1 and wave 2 from April 23rd, right, for the decline, and then here we can still be in the wave 3, in which let's see here, so I can label it like this just to give an alternate, in which we are still only with 1, 2, right? And then this is your wave 3 here, and then we got a flat here, right? We have a flat, an expanded flat, A, B, C, and that's your wave 4 here, right? And then one more leg lower to finish this wave 5. So that will be the alternate that I can think of. Suppose that instead of we bounce from here, we continue to break down below $50.58, then this could be, you know, a flat and within the 5 ways down from here, and that will only end with 3, and then you got continuation lower. So that's a bearish scenario in oil. Okay, but the primary view remains to be that these 5 waves is either with A or with 1, not with C like this one, not with C of a expanded flat, and therefore as far as staying above here, we could see further upside again. Alright, so I hope that helps, and for further updates and also other analysis, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is going to be provided in the description of the video below. And if you like this video, you can just subscribe the YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you very much everyone, and see you all again tomorrow.